that's working on looking at the animal-human interface and looking at the susceptibility of animals to this virus. You know about the work related to the origin of the virus. What I'm going to mention is specifically about the minks that you mentioned, and indeed there are some minks that have been found positive in the Netherlands and in Denmark. And what we understand from these investigations that are currently ongoing is that they were individuals who infected the minks, so people who infected the minks, and in turn some of these minks infected some people. It's very limited in terms of the transmission that is happening between the people and the minks. And some of those minks have been killed. We are learning about what this actually means in terms of transmission and what role they may play. I should put this in context that this is a virus that is predominantly transmitting between people through respiratory droplets, and this is the driver of transmission. This gives us some clues about which animals may be susceptible to infection. And this will help us as we learn more about the potential animal reservoir of the COVID-19, of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. There's a number of studies that are ongoing looking at the animals that are susceptible, from minks to ferrets to cats, dogs, pigs, and so there's a large group of scientists that are trying to better understand the role this virus plays. But again, just want to put it into context of the fact that this is a human-to-human transmission primarily that we're seeing, and why we're seeing this virus spread globally.
Thank you, Dr. Van Kerkhove. We will conclude our press briefing with this last question, and remind you that we will get the audio file to you shortly, with the transcript being posted tomorrow. I wish everyone a very nice evening.
Thank you. Thank you, Tariq, and thank you for joining.